Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about migrations. So basically migrations are a way for you to prepare or stage the changes that you want to apply to the database in Craft or Masonite. So basically what we would like to do is to use our database from the previous video, which is on the MySQL server. And after that, what we would like to do, since the virtual environment is activated, we are in the right folder, is to issue the Craft. Hold on. So Craft migrations, create posts table -- create posts. Sorry, migration. And now if we go to the folder under the databases and migrations, you will see the create posts table. And now in the create posts table, what we have is the up and the down function of the create posts table class. And here what we can do is to add extra columns. So what maybe we would like to add a string column, which is called post type, and another string column post category, and another which is called post body. Let's save it. And now we can go back to the console and use the Craft migrate. And now it has successfully migrated the changes or applied the changes to our database. And if we refresh it, you will see that we have the posts, and here we can see the columns that we have just applied. So basically that's the way that you can do this, and that was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next